Sit in Sukhasana, keep your spine straight, close your eyes, take a long deep breath and slowly exhale. Now rub your palms, gently massage your eyes. Relax. Now open your eyes. Rotate your head clockwise 3 to 5 times. Reverse rotation anti-clockwise. Relax your neck. Shoulder rotation, keep your palms on your shoulders. Rotate your hands clockwise, anti-clockwise. Relax your shoulders. While inhaling, keep your left palm on right knee. Right hand back. Twist your upper body towards right side. Now left side. Slowly come to the center. Interlock your fingers, stretch your arms up. Keep your arms straight. Don't tighten your neck muscles. Now slowly bend right side. Center. Left side. Center. One more time. Right. Center. Left. Center. Slowly release your hands and relax your neck. Now raise your arms up. Slowly bend forward. Keep your arms straight on the floor and head on the floor. Hold for 5 breaths. And slowly come back. Hands down. Cow and cat pose. Your hands and knees on the floor. Make sure your knees are under your hips. Take a deep inhale. Lift your sitting bones, allowing your belly to sink towards the floor. While exhaling, round your spine towards the ceiling. While inhaling, your head to look up. While exhaling, head down. Do it at least 3 to 5 times. This asana stretches the hips and entire spine. Pregnant women and those with back injuries should skip the cat pose. Slowly come to mountain pose. Push your hips up, straighten the arms, lift your heels, alternate up and down. Take the head inside. Do it at least 3 to 5 times. Slowly come to Shashankasana, knees down. Stretch the arms in front, place the forehead on the ground. Maintain this posture for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Child pose is an active stretch that helps elongate the back. Slowly lie down. Legs together, keep your palms beside your chest. While exhaling, lift your upper body. Take normal breathing. Hold for 30 seconds. Slowly relax in Makarasana. Bhujangasana toning the spine. It promotes blood circulation in and around the spine. Relax your body. Now in standing position, keep your legs 1 foot apart. Rotate your hips clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise. Do it 5 to 10 times. Relax. Now join your both legs. Squat down, hold your knees and rotate them, making small circles 5 times and then opposite direction. These rotations can help alleviate pain and stiffness in those joints. Virabhadrasana. While inhaling, spread your legs sideways 3 to 3.5 feet apart. Slowly turn the right foot outwards by about 90 degrees. While inhaling, bend the right knee. Your right knee and right ankle should form a straight line. Stretch your arms sideways. Turn the face to the right. Look at the right palm. Stay here for 10 to 15 seconds. Slowly come to the center. Do other side also. Left foot out. Bend your left knee. Look at the left palm. This asana strengthens and stretches the leg muscles, ankles, chest, lungs and shoulders. This relieves cramps in calf and thigh muscle and backaches. Relax, slowly come to the center. Now join your feet, stand straight. Slowly lift your heels up, down. Do it at least 5 to 10 times. It stretches the leg muscles and nerves. Relax. Lie down on your back. Pavana Muktasana. While inhaling, fold the right leg at the knee. Interlock the fingers and hold the leg. While exhaling, pull the leg towards your chest. Raise the head up and chin touching the knee. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Take normal breathing. Slowly put the head down and stretch the legs straight. Repeat the same with left leg. This asana releasing trapped gas and improves digestive system, strengthen the lower back muscles. While inhaling, fold the both legs at knee. While exhaling, raise the head up and place the chin between the knees. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Take normal breathing. Slowly put the head down. Stretch the legs straight. Those who have neck pain, spondylosis, don't lift the neck. Now we will do spine twist. Bend the knees and join the knees and heels together. Stretch both the hands sideways. Exhale, turn both the knees right side. Touch the floor. Turn head towards left side. Looking left hand fingers. Inhale, come to the center. Exhale, turn knees and left side and head turn right side. This asana, twist to the spine, offers a great tension reliever for the entire back as well as neck. Relax your body. Now lift up the both legs. Hand should be relaxed side of the body. Beginners can hold the legs with hands. Stay here for 3 to 5 minutes. Slowly put down the legs. Stretch the legs straight. Relax your body. The feeling of heaviness in your legs will disappear. Digestion will improve. Leg lifting improves blood circulation to the internal organs. Nutrients absorbs quickly. Nervous system won't be stressed. Quality of sleep will improve. Relax. Fold your legs. Sit in Sukhasana. Now we will do Nadi Shuddhi Pranayam. Keep your spine straight. Your left hand in Chin Mudra. Close your eyes. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with ring finger. Exhale through the right nostril. Then inhale through the same right nostril. Close the right nostril and exhale through the left nostril. This completes one cycle. Practice it for 9 cycles. Observe your breathing. Relax. Now rub your palms. Create heat. Gently massage your eyes and face. Relax. Now slowly open your eyes. Watch my video. Practice regularly. Thank you. Health tip. Warming up and stretching are two different things. Be sure to warm up first and then ease into stretching. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.